If I claimed 1/5 of what you earn beginning next month, you'd panic. Here comes what might sting a bit. Most of the loss happens without a sound. Most folks in the US set aside roughly 4 cents of every dollar they make. Over 50% of household savings in Japan sits as physical money. Cash makes up the biggest slice of personal wealth there. Same world, same inflation, same technology, different outcomes. What could it be now? Maybe something shifted. Then again, perhaps not much has changed at all. It's not income. It's not intelligence. It's not hustle. It's sequence. Most people live like this. Money comes in, goes out fast. Whatever stays is saved by accident. That typically signals an empty outcome. Now flip it. Start by earning income. After that, set aside savings right away. Only then use whatever is left for spending. One small move reshapes it all. Imagine making $68,000 every 12 months. Start saving early, shift 20% right away. Pulls $13,600 into your pocket each year. Not through sacrifice, through order. Life shifts around you every single time. Change comes without asking, yet fits somehow. Stop eating when your stomach feels about 4/5 full. That idea comes from Japan, where they call it Hara Hachi Bu. Stop before excess. Apply that to money. Live on 80%. Start by allowing 1 in 5 to go ahead early. Strange how tight it seems early on. Only after that does it seem like nothing unusual. Security settles in after that. Here lies a problem most overlook. Most budgeting apps don't change behavior. They track it. You see the charts. A twinge of regret sits quietly inside you. The screen goes dark after you shut it down. Month repeats itself again. Tracking isn't transformation. More than a century back, Japan came up with an idea so basic it surprised everyone. Kakeibo, a physical notebook. Each month, your words appear on the page. How much do I have? How much will I save? How much will I spend? Ways to get better. Handwriting marks each buy. A pen touches paper every single time something is bought. Needs, wants, culture, unexpected. This is what makes it significant. Your mind takes notes as fingers move across keys. When you write, your brain processes. Writing, $43 takeout, stressed, didn't want to cook, forces awareness. An app just shows dining. Awareness creates friction. Friction creates control. Folks build today's tools so things slide easier. Smooth moves come from smart tweaks made behind the scenes. One-click checkout, auto-renew subscriptions, instant delivery. No pause, no reflection, just momentum. Pause returns guided by Kakeibo's quiet push. Another idea from Japan goes by the name Mottainai. Waste makes some people feel uneasy inside. That kind of unease runs quiet but strong. Buying something you barely use. Replacing something that still works. Paid fees add up fast, yet bring zero benefit. Cost climbs while worth stays flat. Money moves out, nothing useful comes back. It's not really about how much they spend. What matters is where their money goes instead. Something's off when they look in the mirror. What separates money worries from solid finances often has little to do with how much someone earns. It's defaults. Money saved at the end of the month often disappears before it can be set aside. Motion without resistance grows. When money moves easily, it tends to move more. This is where it gets tough. Barely noticing, shift 1/5 right away. Money flows elsewhere first. Write down every expense for 1 month. Ask one uncomfortable question before buying anything. Do I need this? Do I truly want this? Or am I avoiding something? This single thought could cut your costs by thousands. This isn't about going over the edge. Becoming deliberate matters most. Not accidental, but chosen. Each step shaped by awareness instead of habit. The issue isn't that things are failing. Exactly how it was meant to run, that is what it does. The question is, could your plans be taking shape right now? This is FinTalk. Funny thing, staying steady with money does not come from making extra cash. Choosing wiser starting points matters most.